As fighting escalates in Ukraine, the UN General Assembly on Monday held an emergency special session to discuss the crisis. The General Assembly President Abdullah Shahid renewed his call for an immediate ceasefire, for all parties to exercise maximum restraint, and for a full return to diplomacy and dialogue. UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres also called for an immediate end to the military operations. He warned, "We're facing a tragedy for Ukraine, but also a major regional crisis with potentially disastrous implications for us all. The only true solution is peace. It is never too late to engage in good faith negotiations and to address all issues peacefully." Zhang Jun, China's permanent representative to the UN, called for efforts to create an enabling atmosphere and conditions for direct negotiations over the Ukraine conflict.
联合国和国际社会有关各方采取的任何行动，都要以地区和平稳定为重，以各方普遍安全为重，应当有利于紧张局势降温，有利于推动外交解决。中方不赞成任何可能激化矛盾的做法。
Countries observed a minute of silence at the beginning of the session. The General Assembly has only had 10 emergency sessions since 1950, in line with the adoption of a resolution widely known as Uniting for Peace. This resolution gives the Assembly power to take up matters of international peace and security when the Security Council is unable to act due to unanimity among its 5 permanent members who have the veto power.